Alright, this is hopefully the final part of my alcohol ink on vellum for my butterfly collection series. Part of the reason I use vellum is because it has this nice translucent quality that I can use it nicely for a window ornament. Part of the reason is because it's inexpensive. You get $25 or 25 sheets for $7, which in comparison to, say, Yupo paper, fairly inexpensive. I back it with a piece of plain white printing paper just so that I can see a white background and not my mess of ink. So today is purple. I don't have a lot of purple inks. I have amethyst, purple twilight, indigo, which is a purplish blue, and I pulled out some Sharpies. So I pulled out these 3 purple Sharpies. I am using alcohol ink in this bottle, possibly in this bottle, possibly out of this cup, possibly out of this repurposed spray bottle. Okay, before I get started, I always tape down the vellum because vellum curls when wet. The last time I tried to did this, I tried to see if there was a way that the vellum curled more going one way than the other. It actually seemed like it was a fail. It was a complete and total fail. So I don't know. I didn't even try to do it this time. So I'm taping down the corners because I don't necessarily want a border. But I am going to be cutting this in a project, and I can make it so that I don't use the corners. Okay, so starting with a wash of 91% alcohol. And let's start with purple twilight.
I love purple twilight.
You do?
And you can have sunshine orange.
Not yet. So question is can I get any usable, pretty patterns? And I think I can. See, this is why I tape it down. A few hours, this will be flattened out, usable. Here's one that I did last week. You know, it is not as flat as it can be, but it's certainly usable.